Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger "This media is no longer available" problem. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. When you encounter that "this media is no longer available" message on Messenger, it means that the specific media file you're trying to access is no longer accessible through the platform. This can happen for various reasons, both on the sender's end and on your end. But don't worry, there are ways to fix it. Here I am going to show you some potential solutions. Remember, the unavailable message doesn't always mean the media itself is gone forever. Depending on the reason, it might be possible to access it again by addressing the issue or reaching out to the sender. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent media from loading properly. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If still not working, please update your Messenger app. Outdated versions of the app might have bugs that cause media loading issues. Update Messenger to the latest version on your App Store or Play Store. Another way to solve Facebook Messenger says "this media is no longer available" is by clearing the app cache. Cache data can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with media loading. Try clearing the Messenger app cache. To clear Facebook Messenger cache on Android mobile, first, open Settings on your Android phone, and tap on Apps, and select Messenger. Now, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. If you are using iPhone then, first, go to Settings. Tap on General. And again tap on iPhone Storage. Then, select Messenger from the available list. Now, tap on the Offload app. Finally, reinstall the Messenger app on your iOS device. Another way to solve media not available problem on Messenger is by restarting your device. A simple restart can sometimes refresh your device and resolve temporary glitches. Check if the sender deleted the media. If the media was sent by another user, it's possible they deleted it from their end. Ask them if they still have the media. Reinstall the app to solve this problem. As a last resort, try reinstalling the Messenger app. This will remove all data and settings, so ensure you have your login information. The last option is reporting the issue. If none of the solutions work, you can report the issue to Facebook. For this, go to Messenger profile and scroll down and tap on Report a Technical Problem. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to report the problem to Facebook. Report a problem by providing details about the "this media is no longer available" message. I hope these solutions help you fix the "this media is no longer available" issue in Messenger. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.